Yan. Okay. So, halimbawa, ganito. So, dun sa pinagawa ni ma'am, meron yung sine, cosine, secant, etc. etc. So, yung pinakaunang gagawin will be what is sine. Ang laki. Ayang dito. Okay lang, namamatay talaga mga... Huwag ka magulo, wait lang. Totoo ako.
Tulungan mo. Bigyan mo yung reviewer. Mag-review ako ngayon.
Sige. So, usually, sin is so. Sin, cos, tan. Ito yung mga sinasabi sa atin. So, sin, cos, tan, so, ka, towa. Meaning ng mnemonic na to is opposite over hypotenuse. Yung ka naman is adjacent over hypotenuse. And towa is opposite over adjacent. Kaya, i-sound out nyo na lang so katowa. Sin is so, cos is ka, tan is towa. Now, saan nga ba nanggagaling yung so katowa? Paano natin to gagamitin? So, let's say na may something like this. Ito yung problem. So, let's say, kailangan natin makuha yung sin of letter B. What we do is, gamit lang ako ng dark. What we do is, we draw an angle from letter B itself. So, like that. And, ito yung medyo technique. So, using that angle, meron yung parang line. Kung saan nakatutok yung line na to, this automatically becomes the opposite. Kung ano yung natira dito, ito yung adjacent. At kung saan nakatutok ang hypotenuse, ay ang right angle which is 90 degrees, kung saan yung merong ganyan na box, usually the hypotenuse. That is also applicable for when you look for letter A. So, let's say letter A, ganyan, drawingan mo. Nandito yung opposite. Nandito yung adjacent. At no matter what, same yung right angle. Basta kung may makita kang like this, nandito angle. Kung ganito naman siya, nandito yung angle. Tapos, ganyan, basta ganyan siya lagi. So, sana naman ito nakatutok? Nandito yung hypotenuse. Okay, let's do sin B. Sin B. Manggagaling tayo sa angle of letter B. Like that. Balik tayo sa katowa. Opposite is over hypotenuse. Sa daming nagchat-chat. Wait lang. So, sin B, ito yung line. Nandito yung opposite. So, ano yung natira? Nandito yung adjacent. Tapos, ano yung nakatutok? Nandito si hypotenuse. So, that means sin B will be B over letter C, which will be 4 over 5. Gawin naman natin cosine. Cosine B. Galing pa rin sa B. Adjacent natin is letter is equal to 3. Hypotenuse natin is equal to 5. So, cosine, which is adjacent over hypotenuse, magiging A over C, which is equal to 3 over 5. Tan. Tan B. So, ito ulit. Opposite over adjacent. TOA. Opposite is 4, which is B. And adjacent is letter A, which is 4/3. So yeah, ganyan yung sa sin, cos, tan. Try din natin with angle angle A. So angle A will be sin ganito lagi. Kung ano yung nasa right ng sin, cos, and tan, doon ka magdodrawing ng mini angle. What I mean by that is magdodrawing ng ganito at doon mo i-base lahat. So, kung ano yung adjacent natin sa angle B, hindi siya magiging parehas sa adjacent ng angle A. So, drawing ulit ng ganito. So, for letter A, it will become an opposite. And for this one, magiging adjacent siya. And since same lang yung drawing, same pa rin yung hypotenuse. Usually kapag ganito na triangle, hindi nag-iiba yung hypotenuse. Kaya wag nyo medyo problemahin. Basta ganito yung sa examples. Sin will be opposite over, ano yan? Opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite natin is 3 or letter A. And hypotenuse is C. So 3/5. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So skip na natin yan. 4/5. Tapos tan is opposite over adjacent, which is 3/4. Now, meron pa yung extra na pinakita sila ma'am. So, it is, if I remember correctly, CSC, secant, and cotangent. Tama ba? CSC, secant, and cotangent. So, this is equal to the reciprocal of sine, cosine, and tan. Reciprocal is basically kabaliktaran lang. So, sabihin natin na A/B sin. CSC will be B/A. So, yeah. Ibalik natin sa SOHCAHTOA. So, that means na kabaliktaran nito ng SO. Then, that means magiging mnemonic mo dyan is hypotenuse over opposite. Ano yung kabaliktaran nun? Hypotenuse over adjacent. And adjacent over opposite. And yeah, same thing lang dun sa nandito. So, ayun, example natin, CSCA. So, hypotenuse natin will be 5 and opposite will be 3. So, as you can see, kabaliktaran lang ng sin. Cosine is secant A, which is equal to ano yun? Which is equal to hypotenuse over adjacent. Hypotenuse natin will be 5. Adjacent natin is 4. Finally, cot. It is adjacent over opposite. So adjacent will be 4 and opposite will be 3. So to wrap things up, ganyan lang. To wrap things up, sin is equal to SO, which means opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to ka, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. And finally, tan is equal to TOA, which is equal to O over A. Kabaliktaran nila in order is CSC, secant, and cotangent. Meaning, baliktad ng sine, baliktad ng cosine, at baliktad ng adjacent over yan. Now, for the quick ng angle. So, let's say ganito. Kung ano yung may corner na ganito, it is usually the right angle. Tapos, nandito yung mga letters, sabihin natin letters. And if a problem starts like this, which is scene A, yung gagawin mong basis is an angle from this. Pero, if sabihin natin ano siya, scene C, the angle is based from this line. So, again, para makuha mo yung opposite, magdodrawing ka ng line. Kung ano yung opposite ng angle na yun, this will become the opposite. And kung ano yung natira dito, it will be the adjacent. And kung ano yung nakatutok dito, yung arrow nito, it is a hypotenuse. So, since C naman dito, kung ano yung kabaliktaran niya, dito yung opposite, dito yung adjacent, tapos, since same lang ng drawing, this will be the hypotenuse. So, yeah, that's it. Gawin nyo muna yung pretest bago nyo ito panoorin.